Right, you need to give me a P. Give me a... We can't do that for too long, right? But, we're heading into Pythagoras. So, let's see. Where does this stuff go? Oh, no, I'm just in the corner. Oh, no. Take me out of the corner. No, okay, well, here we go. Wait. Do you actually want to see what's... There we go. That's a bit better, huh? Okay, so, heading into Pythagoras. And what I want you to do for today's lesson, this isn't a long video, but I thought, yeah, actually, let's have a little video. So the first thing you need to do is, and let's see if this comes. No. Let me get like that. Okay. So if you can see, that's the back of my book. And what I want you to do, first things first, is decorate your book. Now, of course, you don't have a book, so just take a blank page and just start playing around with some triangles. So you can see, Pythagoras, the theorem of Pythagoras. You can see it's a triangle in the middle there, and I've got one side's 3, one side's 4, and the hypotenuse is 5. And then I've started just kind of making decorations based on that. So, in all seriousness, just spend 5-10 minutes creating some patterns like that. Okay, you got that. Cool. And then part 2 is, well, we could go to... just kind of a quick example. Here's my pen here. And, if I give you a triangle, let's start with, in fact, what I want to do is challenge you to draw your triangles sometimes like this, with the right angle at the top, and say, well, if this is 5 and this is 3, and I want you to find out what x is, what is x, and kind of what's your comfort level in finding that? Well, you might go, oh, well, it's 4, because I know it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. But just be careful in case I give you another triangle that is like, say, 3 and 5, and then you go, oh, well, this is 4, because it can't be 4, because that's the longest side. So let's just practice laying this out to go, well, we know that the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides, x squared plus 3 squared, equals the square of the hypotenuse. So this side here, x... I think you've got this though, right? Plus 3 squared gives you the hypotenuse squared. And then from there, well, if we just subtracted 3 squared from each side, then you've got what x squared is. So as we're doing this, we're also just going to work on how we're going to write this efficiently and write it logically so it's quite clear what we're doing. So x squared is clearly 5 squared, and we've subtracted 3 squared from each side. So x is the square root of 5 squared minus 3 squared into the calculator, and it's going to come out as 25 minus 9 is 16, the square root of 16, which is 4. So maybe just work through your thing, and of course work through your equation. And then your reason for making this first statement was because of Pythagoras. So the reason goes with the statement. So it's going to seem a bit much because you're going to write it every time, because that's all we're doing is Pythagoras. But get into the habit. So don't go, well, I'm not going to write the reason because it's the same all the time. Okay, so how does that sound? Somewhere here, can we still make it maths? Make it maths.